Hi, Bill here with another edition of the Metals Minute. Today is Wednesday, October 6th, 2021. Well, we have an interesting dichotomy going on. We've had a lot of emphasis on green energy and new energy. Even the old energy players have been asked to adjust their investments, adjust their efforts to develop new sources of energy. Meanwhile, there's been a lack of attention given to old energy development. And so it's ironic that it's old energy that has been sparked back to life and is creating a lot of issues worldwide right now. And the truth is as much desire as there has been, as much discussion and focus on developing new sources of energy, those sources are not prepared to support life as we have known it. And so we're kind of in this transition period, and it has caused oil. Just last year, oil got as low as minus $40 a barrel. And today we're at nearly $80 on the positive side. We also have natural gas spiking. We have coal really shooting up. And not only the energy itself, but the cost to ship the energy where it needs to go is off the charts. And so that's feeding into an inflation that's not, the word has been transitory. I would propose it's not only is it not transitory, but it's becoming rampant. And anytime energy prices increase, that filters through to almost every area of the economy. And one of the areas that you and I are concerned with is precious metals. And it's been long determined that the underlying base of support for metals has to do with the cost of energy, because it's a very energy intensive operation to mine metals. And so the price of energy has a significant impact on the base level of support for the price of gold and silver. And so this is bullish because we see the floor rising underneath gold and silver. In fact, today the numbers are in the written narrative, but we have gold, silver, and platinum up for the 1 week time, and they continue to be rising. So that's a good sign. Now, we've said for several months that palladium would be a good place to take some profits from, and it continues to be a good place to that people are taking profits from as it continues down. Meanwhile, platinum, gold, and silver have resumed a march up. I think platinum has the best one-year numbers right now at up 15%, I believe, or something in that neighborhood. And so we continue to feel good about platinum, gold, and silver. And we just encourage you to check that out and be aware that as inflation begins to rise, we need to look for the places that it hasn't fully taken hold yet. And thankfully for us, we have time for precious metals. We've mentioned it before, but anytime we're in a period of stagflation, the last significant stagflation, we saw gold increase 8-fold in the immediate years following that. Within 5 years, it was up 8-fold. So be patient, hang in there, and accumulate while you can. Premiums are starting to inch back up, but there's still some great deals out there, and we encourage you to take advantage of them. It's going to work out well for all of us. And thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week.